There is also lots of other things that get killed by roads, and this chap will spend a lot of time just hanging around roads, because always going to be something that gets hit by a car, isn't there? Always going to be something. So that's exactly what it'll do. So the whole point of it is these birds will often be preferred to be a lazy scavenger. But there's also another plentiful, abundant supply of food in Australia, and that of course is fish. This is a fishing kite. It shows you how clumsy he is, and then he fell off the glove there. He's very, very clumsy. So here's a fishing kite. Now, he's not a plunger, if that makes sense. Right, not a plunger like ospreys, white-tailed sea eagles, and even bald eagles. What this chap does is a skimmer. He actually skims from the surface of the water. Come on, this way. Things off with you. Nice strong arm. Here she comes. Now you've got nothing to worry about, honestly. Got nothing to worry about. And then play simply. Head over to here.
That's okay.
Now, you've got arms going down like that. You've got arms going down like that. We don't want it like that. We want it up nice and flat. Okay, so move the arm up. That's it. That's it. There we go, like that. And that's prawns. Prawns?
Yeah.
No, she doesn't.
Why? I just saw something like
you saw a blob of beef. That's what you saw. Blob of beef. Okay, we'll start with you then, buddy. Here she comes. Nice strong arm. There we go. And it's a bit of beef I'm feeding her. Now, of course, birds of prey, of course, are carnivores, aren't they? What do I mean by the word carnivore? Well, yes, but something does something with meat. What are you doing now? They of course eat meat, don't they? That's obviously what a carnivore is, and that's exactly what they do. Guys, I need you just to be nice and calm, okay? I'm very happy you have a nice time in your experience, but you've got to try and keep the noise levels down, okay? So, the idea is we'll come over towards you then, little girl. There she comes. There we go. Have a time, guys. Say again, sorry? Oh, yeah, as I say, she disappeared out with a small kid, wasn't it? Yeah, that's it, that's fine.
she's actually another kid.
No worries at all.
Mummy,
No, we don't want to go then. That's it, there we go. That's it. Who has heard the household before? Yeah, I suspected so. What you're looking at here is, without a question or shadow of a doubt, one of the most commonly kept and most commonly used bird of prey used by us falconers, because of one main reason. You are looking at the only bird of prey in the world that actually lives and hunts together as a team. There's 500 different birds of prey in the world, and only one is a team bird of prey. Okay? Every bird of prey lives and hunts.
Jeez, that screamed ahead then.
And the reason why it's such a popular bird of prey is because they accept the falconer as their hunting team, the hunting pack leader. Hence why everywhere I go, number one here, who's 18 years old, wants to follow me. I can't go anywhere without him wanting to follow me, because the pack always sticks together. And that's exactly what makes Harris hawks such popular birds of prey. They're found in Central America, and they will live in family groups of up to about a dozen or so. And they're all dominated by a dominant male and a dominant female. Now, gentlemen, I hate to say this, but in the bird of prey world, it is the females who are boss. They're the ones who boss the boys around there.